This is the Narwhal Frio Pro, and it might just be the smartest robot cleaner on the market. It vacuums and mops at the same time with a crazy powerful 8,500 Pascal suction, so pet hair, dirt, and dust don't stand a chance. What really blows my mind is that it empties itself, washes and dries the mop pads automatically. No more touching dirty water, ever. It also has obstacle avoidance, so it won't bump into furniture or get stuck. If you're a busy parent, have pets, or just love clean floors without lifting a finger, this is a total game changer. Seriously, it cleans your home, and then cleans itself.